In this video, I'll be creating a door draft protector. It's just going to go under a door so that it doesn't let the wind blow. What I'll be doing is I'm going to go ahead and cut this leg, and it'll be the length of here because these pants they didn't fit right. So I'm going to upcycle them. First, I'm going to remove the elastic here, and then I will cut the leg right down the middle, and then I will bring this up and make sure that I sew along here so that it is somewhat the same size all the way down. So now I have cut the leg out, and now I'm going to turn it inside out and find a straight line to sew down the middle. So now I've cut as straight as I possibly could. I know it's crooked, but it's not about perfection here. It's about keeping the cold air out of the room. So I'm just gonna go ahead and see if I can figure out how to use the sewing machine, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have successfully or unsuccessfully sewed the edge, and now I'm going to flip this inside out and fill it with old t-shirts. Old rolled up t-shirts. And here it is stuffed with t-shirts. I just rolled them up and slipped this on like a sock. Now I will take some black ribbon and tie each end to complete the project. And now here are my ends. I just put a black ribbon. Let's go test it. And there it is. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. We were using a towel before, but not anymore.